This 2018 K-Z Sportsmen 312 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87123 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.